Man, it is fantastic smelling. It smells delicioso. Welcome to my kitchen. Yes, I'm inside instead of being outside like normal. It's raining cats and dogs in the Midwest, and it has been for like 2 weeks straight. For some reason, I know Mother Nature is just not on our side. I'm a baseball coach, and we can't get baseball in either. It's crazy. So today we're gonna take this cube steak and we're gonna put it on the Ninja Foodi grill. I've seen it done on the Ninja Foodi, but never on the grill. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and we're gonna get to that right now. I have this cube steak, came from the base, and it was $2.60 for this nice cut of meat. Cube steak is one of the cheapest cuts that you're gonna find. It's a tougher meat at first, and then they kind of beat it up and to make it more tender, so it's easier to cook. First, we're gonna hit Ninja Foodi, we're gonna hit grill, start, and we're gonna wait for it to heat up. It's gonna tell us when to add the food. Nice piece of meat. Yes, it's so fancy. We're gonna put some olive oil on there. Just a little bit on both sides. Throw this garlic jalapeno on here. Ooh, that's gonna be so good. Try to rub it up and down and get it in between those little holes. Slap that in there. You hear it, folks? Yeah. 2-3 minutes per side. But the thing about it is, with a cube steak, you really can't, take it out unless it's cooked all the way through, because it's a tougher cut of meat. So it doesn't do well at medium or rare or anything like that. You really have to have it at medium well or well in order for it to even be worth eating. Ooh, look at those grill marks. That is so pretty. Look at that. All right, look at that. That looks amazing. Smells even better than it looks. Look at that, so juicy. You grab this, I'm gonna pull that off. This is fully cooked all the way through. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna give it a rest, 10 minutes. And then while we're doing that, we're gonna figure out how to air fry these potatoes. Air crisp. So I think the first thing we need to do is put some olive oil on these, get them in the air fryer basket, and then we'll get it working. We're doing it. Air crisp on. All right, so that's what we have after about 10 minutes in the air fryer. Those potatoes are looking outstanding. Listen to them sizzle. All right, so we're gonna call those done. We don't need these to be crispy. We just want them cooked. So we're gonna go ahead and slice this up. It should be all the way done, all the way through like we want. This is a cube steak, and it does not do well when it is not cooked all the way. It's more hamburgerish than anything. Oh, stay in there, buddy. We'll get to you. Get you in my mouth in a minute. But we just want to get you all the way through. Make sure you cook done. All right, it is cooked all the way through from what I can see. Looks to be cooked all the way through, and it's still nice and juicy. That's why you let it rest. Man, it is fantastic smelling. It smells delicioso. Let me go ahead and bite into this. I do have a nice side of sauce here. This is barbecue sauce. I'm gonna have a nice little side of sauce here. I'm gonna put it right here so I can get into this right now and get a little bite. I'm gonna dip it in my good old sauce. And I'm gonna come right over here and just glorious. I'll tell you what. Not being able to cook outside didn't make any difference. Got a Ninja Foodi grill, took care of that. I'm telling you, get one of those. If you don't have a Ninja Foodi grill, get one. Not a sponsor, anything like that. They just will save your life when it rains or snows or tornado or whatever the hell else. Great food, I'm telling you. I want to bite this, but I've talked to you. So, hey, look, if you have any questions about cooking cube steak, or if you have any comments about cooking cube steak, if you know a better way to do it or anything like that, put it in the comments. I cooked it all the way through. I think that's the best way to do it. But if you guys have any suggestions, go ahead and post it in the comments. I read the comments, believe it or not. So let me know what you think, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.